Black Adam released today, Monday. Let's see what they did to Velma. Let's go down to the bottom. Iowa check, first one. Control F Velma. There we go. Let me see. This is the newest one. Is the old one or the new one? I don't know. Okay, I think it is. Wait, hold on. What is this? What's going on here? Seems like the old one. Halloween announcer 1.04. Well, Velma didn't get what? Velma didn't get any nerfs? Holy shit! It's a fucking miracle! Oh my god! Oh, they buffed Superman. Okay, that's weird. Yeah, I guess because of the Halloween skins or whatever, the defense meter return per tick reduced. I don't know what that is. Prevent falling after a successful throw. Okay. Increase speed. Shit. Tiny little things, bro. Don't even matter in the end. I just bought Tom and Jerry. I guess I don't play him that much. Wonder Woman. Stripe. Okay. Mm-hmm. Bug fixes. That's not substantial. 2 frames, whatever. It's good. It's a good patch. It's hold on, this motherfucker. Yeah, it was really fucking fast, bro. I think I had armor too. It was really stupid fast. A small window. And if you get hit by that small window, whack! Yeah, that's his spike out. It's his smash attack, if you will. Yeah, so people were spamming the fuck out of that thing. This is good that they're not really doing a lot to people this time. Let's see what happens when Black Adam comes in. They're gonna nerf him, that kind of stuff. Wait, that's Dwayne Johnson's pose. Yeah, until they start like making Gleamium available in a freeway per se, I'm not gonna bother or care. Holy shit, they finally didn't touch Velma. I can't fucking believe it. They learned to leave her the fuck alone. I guess because of the series she has out now, maybe they didn't know about that. The controversy around her, they didn't want to touch her. So maybe like down the line, a few more months, they will again. This is interesting. For premium and free tiers of the Battle Pass. 53? I think it was 50 before. Knowing how these devs are, they'll probably, for the free ones, they'll probably skip, like, have empty slots. And then go to, all the way to the 53. Then you get, like, coins or whatever, which you get regularly by playing the game anyway. Battle Pass users probably like a useless icon or whatever. 3 more levels. I think I did it to 5 because it's like, wait, 11-1. I think 11-1 it ends. Oh, interesting. Oh, they're adding arcade mode. Okay, let me see what that arcade mode's about. Okay, what's the point of playing on hard if it's just for a star? What's the point of having a star if it's for nothing? If it's cosmetic only, what's the point? Okay. Um. Hmm. They're adding items and gimmicks. Smash style. Not bad. I'm not really that pissed off about this patch.